Rocky, what are you doing up there? Mom, Rocky's on the table again. He won't get down.
Rocky, what are you doing on the table? Get down.
Zeus, you wanna go? Oh, you wanna go with mommy? Oh, look at that change up of attitude. You good boy.
Hey, hey.
Why are you being a bad boy? You want me to call mom? I'm gonna call mom. Mom!
People, stop. I'm gonna show your mum.
He's not there. No, there's not there. There's no one there. No.
Mommy! Ma, Toby's biting.